morning. So you may notice that I'm in a different house right now, not the usual place where I record my videos. So yeah, today we are in Baguio. First, let's rewind to around 2 days before this, 2 days before, right? So it's a Tuesday night, October 20, and I have here our travel authority going from here, Metro Manila. This actually says Quezon City, although I'm in Pasig right now in my condo, but I am originally from Quezon City, so that is where we filed it, and also because it's easier to file for a travel authority from Quezon City. Anyway, this travel authority gives us permission to get out of the Metro Manila, out of Quezon City, and going to Baguio, because we do have a house there in Baguio. But let me show you this first. So this is our registration to go from to enter Baguio. So that's a completely different set of paperwork. So it's really complicated because you have to work on your paperwork here in or actually there in Quezon City, where we filed this travel authority. We had to go to the health center, we have to go to the police station, and then we had to also go to the barangay to get a barangay clearance, which actually that came first before the police station. And then you have to submit all of these documents and proof that you are a returning resident of Baguio, which technically we are, because we have a house in Baguio. So that's what we went for. We file all of this paperwork, and then you upload this to the Baguio city government, or I don't know what HDF really means, but you upload it to their website, and they give you the permission to go into Baguio, go into their triage, where we'll have our swab test when we get there tomorrow, October 21. So it's a really arduous process. It was a very anxious time for me. Thankfully, my wife was a very solid rock. She was very methodical about the whole process. So you know, she took care of most of these things. We're still not in the clear. We're hoping for a problem-free travel, and especially once we get there, we're hoping it's going to be a smooth process. But right now, all of our stuff right now are here in boxes. The apartment is messy. Well, it's always been messy, but right now it's more messy. But a lot of the stuff has been cleared out because we've already sent away a lot of the stuff. We no longer have our office chairs. We sent away all of our old clothes, put them in storage. We're going to leave this condo unit empty because we're just renting this place. So yeah, I'm going to see you tomorrow because it's going to be a long journey. I don't think you'd be interested in all of the things that's been happening here in the condo about all of the packing. So anyway, I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Carla's having a RT-PCR test right now over there. So we got in around 2 a.m. We arrived here in Baguio probably around 1 or past 12. But we had to go to triage. Let me just look for my laptop first. I'm not sure where I put my laptop. Oh, there it is. Because actually I still have to go, still have to work, and it's already 8 in the morning. But yeah, so it's a little bit cold right now, and but we got a good night's sleep. So even though we got here in the house, in the actual house at around 2 in the morning, it was still a good rest, and it's not super cold right now, so the temperature is just right. Normally I would be very chilling in the morning, but not today. Okay, just logging in. So there's a lot of things to do here right now. We have a lot of stuff. We have to unpack all of our stuff, and we are going to be staying here for the next couple of weeks or a couple of months. So we just need to fix this house for now. So there's not going to be much flying or anything right now. It's all about going to be fixing up the house. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna cut the video here. Just a quick update, but hopefully we get ourselves set up. Right, see you soon. Right guys, so one last thing before I end this video, and I just wanted to show you our new workstation. Let me just adjust that brightness. So we've just been watching a little bit of Netflix. My wife has been busy all day unpacking the boxes, making this house livable. No one's been living here for the past 7 to 8 months, so we also got a really cute vacuum cleaner. And this is my laptop where I have been working at today for my day job. At least we were able to, I was still able to do some work using just the hotspot of my phone. And my wife's laptop is over here, and this is also the computer where I edit most of my videos, so at least I'm going to be able to put this video out. We still haven't decided where I'm going to be putting my workshop, so no builds yet, but I'm hoping to be able to fly tomorrow. Maybe the weather will be better. So yeah, but today we are just so tired. We're just going to be cooking some noodles. I bought some Shin Ramyun, some spicy Korean noodles, and we also bought some wine and some beer. So we are going to, just chill for tonight, and we're probably gonna hit the hay a little bit early. I think it's not yet even 8 o'clock, but my eyes are really heavy. I'm really sleepy, but Alright, so that has been a quick update for all of you who follow our adventures here and around the Philippines. So as always, hope you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Click on that like button, even though this is just an update video. But if you click on that like button, that would be really cool. Right, so I'm just gonna leave you guys at least, keep building and keep flying.